sinner. Wow. Morning. Join me on a roundabout this morning, as you can probably hear. Truck. Okay, so I thought I'd come out here early this morning just to talk about how I got started into wild camping. I've only been wild camping 3 times. This is my only 4th time of making a cup of tea outside. So I've seen loads of posts, people asking the question, I want to go wild camping, where do I go to, what do I do? So hopefully I can answer some of these questions. So the first one is, there a minute. Oops. Right, what's done there? Right, so the first one is location. Location. Obviously, I've watched videos of people going camping, and I thought, well, I'm going to go in the woods first of all. So I looked in the woods local to me, and I was quite nervous about where to go. I wasn't too sure what was what. So I opted for some woods in the middle of nowhere, and using OS maps, Ordnance Survey maps, and Google Maps, found quite a good spot. A good point to use is Street View as well, because you can get right down there to where on the cars, and sometimes if you see a blue dot you actually get a 3D photo which people have left. There's none of them in the location I was, but there is one now, so I left one behind. But it gives you a good indication of what the terrain's like, if you're using a hammock, what the tree spacing's like, ground cover, you're on a bivvy, all that sort of thing. So it gives you a good clue of what to do. So once I found out where I was wanting to go, I then started thinking about the kit. Now, we'd been camping years ago, and I had some old kit from when we went car camping. The car camping kit obviously is not designed for hiking or backpacking, and it's very heavy, relatively speaking. There's a few midges around this morning. So I used that. I needed an 85 litre rucksack to get it all into, because the sleeping bag was humongous. It weighed over 2 kilograms. I decided to go hammock camping from the location I saw. So I bought a hammock off DD. I think it's the cheapest one they do, 27 quid. But it's good, it works alright. It's nothing wrong with it. It's got a little zip bit underneath to put your sleeping pad in. I didn't bother with any of the slings for the trees. I just used the ropes that came with the hammock, and they seem to work absolutely fine. I'm really happy with it. So I purchased a hammock, purchased a tarp off good old eBay, and the tarp was 3 metres by 3 metres, and it was about 10 quid. Big, heavy and crinkly. Now my mates brought a DD tarp, and that's lovely. It's totally different, so I think that's what I might go for in the future. But for starters, that's what I had. So it folded up into about a foot square sheet, which I rammed in my rucksack. The camping mat I took with me was again from when we went car camping. Again, big heavy inflatable mat, but it wasn't the best. And then cooking kit I took with me was just a cheap set off Amazon. I've got a review for it, put the review up there. Cheap cook sets, which seems okay. But what I did do is just purchased if I can get this out. These gas canisters, to save me buying the Coleman brand ones. These camping gas are available at Tool Station or Screwfix, I forgot which one, but they're about £3 each, and they do. And then this base was from a blowtorch I had. So I think these canisters are originally for a blowtorch, and the blowtorch comes with this base. So it makes a nice little unit. And it all fits together inside the cook set, which you'll see on the review. So that's how I started doing it, and then I took a day off work and just travelled down to where I was staying overnight. If you watch my first video, which is on this channel, it was weird. It's very strange first night you stay out. I did watch plenty of YouTube videos beforehand about camping out in the wild overnight, and it's just strange. It's pitch black, strange on the senses, but it's nothing to be scared of. It's just different. It's just different noises. It's just dark. Although it wasn't actually pitch black, there's always some sort of light there. And it's really lovely waking up in the morning with yourself in a hammock surrounded by birdsong. Nice and relaxing. Watch the sun come up. It's brilliant. Anyway, I'm going to finish my tea off, get packed up, and I've got a walk to do this morning, so... Oh jeez, the seat nearly fell over. I've got a walk to do this morning, so I'm going to pack up, drink my tea, and then I'll catch you later on when we're on our walk. Okay. Right, I'm going to now get off this roundabout and carry on my walk. Get off this roundabout and carry on with my walk. That's what I'm going to do. Yeah, that'll do in a few weeks. That will. Oops. That should be alright in a few weeks. Be good. Right, answer me a question then. What makes leave their comfy homes and comfortable beds and spend a night in the forest? I know what drives me, but I'm interested to find what drives you. So if you can leave a note in the comments below, and I will read and get back to you. It'd be interesting to see what drives other people. I haven't seen anyone, so I've done it 3 times in the forest I've picked. The times we've gone at, I haven't seen anyone. And when I mean the times, we've been going in the forest about, let's get that way, 7:30, 8 at night, setting up our camp, having some food, drinks, settling down for the night, and then we'll be up at crack of dawn. Well, you will be up at the crack of dawn, especially in summer. The birds make a right racket, so you're not sleeping. 3:30, you'll be up early, which is good because you can get out. I never really slept too well, so yeah, get out. Right, at this next gate now. Lovely morning. Yeah, St Michael's Church. If you enjoy this video and you want to see more, then please like and subscribe.